Let's talk about the environment. Our planet is facing some serious challenges, and the way we get around plays a big part in that story. Petrol cars burn fuel and pump out CO2, a major cause of climate change. Every time we drive a gasoline car, we're adding more carbon dioxide and other harmful gases into the air we all breathe. With over 1 billion cars worldwide, that's a lot of pollution. Cities often struggle with smog and poor air quality, which can make it harder for people to stay healthy. Electric cars have no tailpipe and produce zero local emissions. That means cleaner air in our neighborhoods, especially in busy urban areas where pollution is usually the worst. As our power grid gets greener with solar, wind, and hydro, so do our cars. The cleaner our electricity, the cleaner our transportation becomes. An EV powered by renewables is as close as it gets to zero-emission driving. Imagine driving every day without adding a single gram of pollution to the air. Electric motors are simpler, with fewer moving parts and less waste. They're more efficient too, converting more energy into motion and wasting less as heat. No oil changes, no exhaust pipes, less manufacturing and fewer resources used. That means less pollution from factories and less hazardous waste to deal with. It's a cleaner process from start to finish. From the factory floor to the open road, electric vehicles leave a smaller footprint. Choosing an EV is a step toward a healthier planet. It's a choice that benefits not just us, but future generations who will inherit the world we leave behind. Every electric car on the road is a small win for the environment. Each one helps reduce noise, air pollution, and our reliance on fossil fuels. When millions make that choice, it adds up to real change. Cleaner air, quieter streets, and a more sustainable future become possible. We're not just changing our cars, we're cleaning up our act. Communities everywhere are coming together to support cleaner transportation. Technology is making it easier to do the right thing. With smarter charging, better batteries, and more renewable energy, driving electric is becoming the new normal, and it's a change our planet desperately needs.